task, so we'll just kind of go through this. We'll start. Everyone knows we're here. We're going to rotate vertical. Axis restriction, so you guys where we have the barriers roped off here to the south of us, to the east of us, the 2 stairwells, east-west, and then the pit that's cordoned off. So those individuals that are responsible for those areas, you also need to make sure that no personnel are crossing that, okay? Command Strongback rotate. Strongback rotating.